Hello everyone, are you guys ready for Vlogmas Day 3? It is Saturday, December 3rd. There's a lot of football games going on right now. I have the TCU Kansas State game on, which TCU was losing the last time I looked. But the Georgia game is today, and also the Clemson game and Michigan games are later tonight. So I'm going over to my sister and brother-in-law's house to watch those games. So I'm gonna make a little holiday treat to take over for the little viewing party we're having. So let's dive right in. So we are going to be making white chocolate peppermint Oreo balls. So you're gonna need Oreos. I get double stuff. I don't know. I've just always used double stuff. I feel like they taste really good with it. White chocolate chips, cream cheese, peppermint extract, and I top them with these peppermint flavored sprinkles, but you can also crush peppermints and put them on the top if you want to. All right, first things first, we gotta crush the Oreos. I use a food processor to do this and just put a row in at a time, chop them up. Then I put it on chop and chop for a few seconds. And then I switch it over to puree just to make sure that they're small. So they'll look kind of like this after they're all nice and finely chopped. All right, after all the Oreos are chopped up, I just throw in the cream cheese. I kind of separate it into a little box. I don't throw the whole block in there. You might be able to throw the whole block in there. I don't know. And then I use this, I think it's like technically a dough mixer, but it works really good for this. And then I just let it mix until it is all combined. So it should look like this when it's all mixed. And then I just scoop out some and make it into a little ball like this, kind of. And I don't worry about the size of them. I just scoop them out. Some of them are big, some of them are small, because you never know. Some people like to use, some people want a big one, some people want a little one. So I just scoop out whatever gets on the spoon and then roll it up. Your hands will look really awesome after you roll all of these. So after they're all rolled, they go into the freezer to sit. I let them sit for about 30 minutes before I put the chocolate on them. While we wait, we'll do our little advent calendars for today. Okay, ours is day 3. Ready for day 3 of the advent? You want yours too, Silo? I don't think your mommy did yours yet. Let's see, here's Ozzy's. And then let's see, where's Size? Here's number 3 from Mr. Side. Oh, Silo, you get 2 stars today. Wow. All right, sit. This one is Ozzy's. No, this one's Ozzy's, Silo. Yours is coming. Okay. Sit and be gentle. Nah, I said be gentle. Good boy. There you go. Good job. Okay, and then my day 3 says, looks like 3 French hens, but which ones? This is blue, white, and red. So the blue is ELF. So I'm assuming we're looking for an elf. Oh, there's an elf. Okay, here goes nothing. Day 3, woohoo! The Oreo balls have definitely been in there longer than 30 minutes. I got distracted watching football, but it's time to coat them with our white chocolate. I always go with more white chocolate than I need because I usually just throw the balls into the bowl and mix it that way and I run out of chocolate if I don't have the regular. And then we go in with our peppermint extract. I just do a little boop. And so I don't know what the measurement is, I just kind of guess. And then we are gonna heat this in the microwave for 20-second intervals until it is melted. So once it is all nice and melted, I just take a couple of the little Oreo balls and throw them in there. And then, oops, sorry. And then just cover them. then throw them back down and top with a few. Perfect. And here is the final product. Any extra chocolate I have, I just lay it out and it's almost like peppermint bark. But yeah, that is a super easy holiday treat to make. I love white chocolate peppermint, so it's one of my favorite holiday treats. Drop in the comments below what you guys' favorite holiday treats are. But that is all for Vlogmas Day 3. Tomorrow I will be on call at 3 a.m. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. As far as what I come up with, it'll really depend on like what they do for me with work. It might be work related tomorrow, but yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 4.